Good morning students. We are doing the chapter Bills of Exchange and we have learned some entries yesterday. Today we are going to take a new type of problem, new type of condition. Let's see. The question is this: X sold goods to Y. First of all, we will make the entry of purchase and sale as we have made yesterday. Okay, first of all we will write here in the books of X, in the books of X, because X is the seller, and in the other page we will write in the books of Y. After doing this, we will draw the line. Date, particular, ledger folio, amount, and amount. In the same way, date, particular, ledger folio, amount, and amount. Now the date is given March 15 of 2019. X sold the goods, so we will write here Y debit to sales account. Goods sold to Y. The amount is given in your question 10,000. Now we will make the opposite entry here. 2019 March 15. Y will purchase, so we will write here purchase account debit to X. Goods purchased, from X, and the amount will be same of rupees 10,000 and 10,000. After doing this, as you know, we will write here the entry of writing of bill. Means X is accepting the acceptance given by the Y. So what is the entry? BR account debit. This entry will come in all the questions. So we will write here BR account debit to Y, acceptance received. From whom the acceptance is being received? From Y. Okay, acceptance received. The amount of bill is 10,000 because we have sold the goods of 10,000. That's why the bill is written of 10,000. X debit to DP account. Acceptance given. Now we will read the question. What is the difference between the question of yesterday and today? By accepted a bill drawn upon him by X at 4 months of rupees 10,000. X discounted. From this point the question is different, becoming different. X discounted the bill on 15th April 2019 at the rate of 18%. So now you will see the new type of entry, which is getting started from here. 15th of April. This date is given in your question. The entry, the cash or bank account debit, whatever you want, you can write cash or bank account debit. This is a new entry. This is the entry of bill discounted, discounting of the bill. Cash account debit, discounting charges account debit, or you can write in short only discount. Discount account debit, we can write in this way, or we can write discounting charges, the same way. To BR account, and we will write here bill discounted from bank at the rate of 18% per annum. Students, you should understand 15th April. The bill was written on 15th March and the period duration of the bill was 4 months. So from 15 March we will find what would be the date of maturity. March, April, May, June, July. After 4 months we will find the date of 15 July, and after that we will add 3 days. But X needed the money, so he went to bank in the next month and he deposited his BR in the bank. As we discounted the check, in the same way he discounted the bill, the BR, and he get the amount before the maturity date. So when bank is paying the amount before the maturity date, he will charge some amount that will be discount. He will take the amount of discount because the bank is giving the facility to the X. Okay, how we will find the amount of discount and what amount X will get? Now we will see the calculation here. This is the working note. Amount of BR is 10,000. The rate of discount is given in the question 18%. So we will write upon 18 upon 100. As you know, the duration is given in your question of 4 months. So we will write here 4 and upon 12, because in a year there are 12 months. This is the simple mathematical calculation, and after doing this, 4 3 are 12, 3 6 are 18, and we will multiply 100 into 6, 100 by 6, the amount will come 600. We will find the amount 600. You can understand again. This is the 10,000. 18 upon 100. 4 upon 12. 4 1 is 4. 4 3 is 12. 3 6 is 18. finding this amount of discount, we will deduct from the whole amount of the BR. 10,000 minus 600, and in this way we will find 9,400. This amount will come in front of the cash. So we will write here 9,400. The amount of discount will be written here 600, and after adding these two amounts, the amount of bill will come, you can see here. And we will not make opposite entry in the books of drawing. The name of drawing is Y. We will not write because the transaction is occurred between the X and bank. Okay. Now after doing this, we will read next question. At this bank and by meet the bill on maturity, make journal entries. Okay. What will happen after this transaction? When the due date will come, X will be unable to go to buy with the BR because BR is not with him. BR is given to the bank. So bank will go to buy. The transaction will be between buy and bank. Okay. What is the duty of buy? Buy will take his BP and give the payment to the person who is giving the BP to him. Okay. So we will write here the date of maturity. What will be the date of maturity? As we have discussed, from 15th of March we will count the 4 months. 15th of after 15th of March, April, May, June, July. 15 July, and we will add 3 days. 15 plus 3 is equal to 18 July will come. So we will write here July 18, and by will get his BP account debit, and the amount will be paid. BP account debit to cash, and we will write here payment made on due date. Okay, and what amount he will pay? 10,000, because the BP is of 10,000. And in this way this question is complete. And you will do these type of question from your book, and if you face any type of problem you can ask me. Till then, thank you.